Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, January 12th. Today we will explore another basic mindfulness practice called Tonglen, or giving and receiving. Many of you have already done it many times, but it's always worth exploring things in a bit more detail and at different angles. So this practice is quite different from what you're used to, and it will be interesting to see how it lands for you. Pema Chodron says this about the practice of Tonglen. Tonglen begins to dissolve the illusion that each of us is alone with this personal suffering that no one else can understand. So it creates a real connection between all of us, reminding us that suffering is suffering and we all experience it, and we can tend to each other's suffering. In the Tonglen practice, we rely on our breath quite a bit. The breath can aid our practice in many different ways, including acting as a vehicle toward peace and acceptance. So today we will work with the breath to help cultivate care and loving kindness toward ourselves and those around us. It's a practice both in mindfulness and compassion. So as you move through this exercise, notice any resistance that arises. And of course, whenever the mind wanders, bring it back to the body breathing, to the present moment awareness. Take a comfortable position. Take a few moments to settle. Maybe close your eyes. Maybe keep them open, gazing at one point softly. Notice where you are. What can you feel in the body? What sensations draw your attention? What can you hear? There is no need to do anything special. Simply observe your present time experience in this very moment. Now bring your awareness to an area in the body where you can feel the breath most easily. Usually for this practice, the chest works quite well, but any other place you feel the breath easily is fine. Simply be with the body breathing for a little bit, feeling the inhalations and exhalations as they come and go. Let's start this Tonglen practice with an intention of self-acceptance. As you breathe in, perhaps visualize yourself breathing in acceptance. As you breathe out, soften self-judgment. And allow yourself to breathe like this for a few rounds. Breathing in self-acceptance, breathing out, softening self-judgment. Now begin offering yourself some ease and peace with each inhale. and see if you can soften stress and perhaps anxiety if you have it with each exhale. You may try the visualization of breathing in a light of ease. And as you exhale, visualize how the darkness of stress leaves your body. See if that imagery works for you, and if it doesn't, use your own, or don't use any if you don't find visualizing helpful. Now, as you inhale, offer yourself forgiveness. And you don't need to go into any particular stories or rationalizations about this. Just set the intention to forgive yourself. That's enough. As you inhale, offer yourself forgiveness. And as you exhale, soften any resentments toward yourself. Now picture yourself surrounded by people you love. At the beginning of this practice, you inhaled with self-acceptance and exhaled while softening self-judgment. So now let's flip it around. As you inhale, take in the pain of all those people you love as they judge themselves, the pain of self-judgment. And as you exhale, offer acceptance to your loved ones. Inhaling the pain of self-judgment from others, from people you love. And as you exhale, offer them acceptance. Continue this way, inhaling the stress and anxiety in others. And as you exhale, give them ease and peace. Hold space for their stress, but don't take it on yourself. By receiving, you're just recognizing with compassion that others have difficult experiences just the way you do. As you continue with your practice, notice if any self-judgment arises. And if it does, use that. Breathe in and recognize that you're experiencing self-judgment. And as you breathe out, offer the wish that you and all others are free from self-judgment. Or if you experience any other difficult feelings, use them in the same way. Breathing in, recognize that a difficult feeling has arisen. Breathe out and offer the wish that you and all others can create space for such feelings and soften around them. Finally, inhale and tune into the resentments your loved ones have towards themselves. And as you exhale, radiate forgiveness for these individuals. Inhaling the resentments these people have toward themselves. Exhaling to radiate forgiveness. Continue this way for a little longer. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice whenever difficult feelings of self-judgment, anxiety, resentment arise in you or those around you, and see if you can use the Tonglen practice, this practice of giving and receiving, to create space for these feelings and soften. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.